In this video, you're going to learn how to draw kawaii bear easy and cute. So grab your sketchbook, a Sharpie marker for the outlines, something to color with, and we'll get started. You don't have to use these materials. Use whatever materials you have on hand, or you can even draw digitally on your iPad. If you're new here, a warm welcome. I'm Tatyana Deniz. I will teach you how to draw kawaii even if you are a complete beginner, and how to start a creative business using your new skills. So if you're curious about selling with print on demand, or you want to open an Etsy shop, or you just want to get better at drawing, then be sure to subscribe to get more videos like this one. And we're ready to draw. We're going to start our drawing by drawing a vertical guide. This is going to help us keep our kawaii bear symmetrical. And then we'll draw a simple rectangle. Try to keep it the same width on either side, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Something like this. It's kind of like a rectangle that's a little bit rounded on the corners. And then this is a bear, so we'll just add 2 half circles here and we'll call these ears. Super simple, right? And then bear has little legs, so all we're gonna do is draw a little U shape on one corner and another U shape on the other corner to give our bear legs. Let's add some hands, cute little hands, little U shapes. Maybe we'll give this bear a treat to hold in his paws. And then we'll add the face. So I'm gonna draw a horizontal guide to help me position the face, just like this. Now, it's always important in kawaii to keep the face really small. So I'm gonna roughly sketch where the nose, like the actual face part, is gonna go, and then I'm gonna add little eyes in the corners. You see how the guides are telling us exactly where to place the features. I'm going to erase a little bit because that cross right in the middle of the face is pretty tricky to work with. So I'm going to erase it, and I'm going to add a little triangle for the nose, just a tiny little nose right where your guides intersect. And then be sure to add a tiny mouth, just like that. And then we can give our bear little cheeks for extra cuteness. And maybe we'll give him a sweet little strawberry. I'm gonna move this hand to be more symmetrical. This hand looks a little bit smaller than that one, so I'm gonna correct that. And let's give him a juicy little strawberry. So all I'm gonna do is draw this kind of like an egg shape, but squished to the bottom, and then add some leaves for the strawberry. We're ready to color. To add color to this kawaii bear, I'm gonna use a brown Copic marker and a lighter shade of the Copic markers for the face. And let's see, some pink for the strawberry, and we'll need some green for the leaves. And I'm gonna do the outline with a simple Sharpie marker, and I'll use a graphic Sakura Micron pen, which is a slightly thinner tip, felt tip, to do the face for more delicate parts. But the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to erase my guidelines, and I'm going to erase some of this drawing so it's not so strong. It will be very hard to erase things after we've added color. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase until I almost cannot see my drawing. Now you would expect me to do the outline, but I'm actually gonna start by adding color and then putting the outline on top of my colored bear. Why? Because this way the outline will stay the darkest. If I put the outline first and then I put the marker over it, it'll start to dull the outline. So that's the way I like to work when I draw by hand. And I'm gonna start with the lightest color for the nose part, for the face. And then I'll put the darker marker around it. And now we'll do the body. You can see that I carefully went around the strawberry part and around the face, and I aim to keep my edge as clean as possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna add the outline over it. If you're enjoying this tutorial on how to draw kawaii bear easy and cute, then be sure to let me know. Leave a comment below and like this video. So let's do that. This is the fun part. So now I'm gonna go and outline the bear. You can see that the outline is staying nice and sharp because we are not painting over it with a marker. And we'll add the hands. And now with the face, I'm gonna use my smaller Sakura graphic pen. I'll link to all of these materials in the description if you wanna grab your own. But you can use anything that you have. You don't have to use these. These are the ones that I like to use. So these are, you see my little eyes and the little triangle for the nose and the mouth. I'm keeping the features really delicate on the face to maintain that kawaii quality to our bear. And you are saying, wow, why didn't you outline the face? Well, I don't want to outline this part, the muzzle, because this actually will keep the bear more kawaii and soft. And I will do the outline of the strawberry now, and then I'll add the color to it after. I'll be very, very careful, I promise, not to make the outline run. Let's make the strawberry a nice soft pink color. You see how much harder it is to paint if you already have the outline in place. I have to be really, really careful not to pull at it and smudge it. That's why I do the big bulk of the coloring before I add the outline. And you know what? Let's add little cheeks using that same pink color. Super kawaii. Oh, so cute. And the final touch is green leaves, and we're done. And this is how you draw a kawaii bear. That was easy, wasn't it? You can grab the step-by-step image tutorial for this kawaii bear on my website. The link is in the description below. Now you can use this kawaii bear drawing for your craft projects, for drawing with kids, for making some DIY cards and greetings. It's a lot of fun. I hope you absolutely loved the drawing that you did today and you had fun. If you did, let me know by leaving a comment below, like this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.